Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to add proxy in Telegram. So first thing that you will do is simply open up the Telegram application into your device. And after that, just simply tap on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen or the menu, and a side tab will show up. And from here, just simply go to settings. And now after that, just simply go to data and storage. And from here, just simply scroll down to the bottom, guys. And you should be able to see here proxy settings. So just simply go ahead and tap on proxy settings. And now from here, you should be able to tap on add proxy. And guys, when you add proxy, make sure to enable it as well. So now just simply tap on add proxy. And after that, you should be able to see here two types of proxy. And after that, just simply provide the server, the port, the username, password, and share. And once you are done, just simply tap on the check icon at the top right corner of the screen. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.